So let's talk about the partial flying geese units now that we have a handle on the regular flying geese. The partial flying geese are units that have two different color wings and one solid color for the center, and as these are. We're going to make these. We're going to make 4 of each of these two colors, and they're both going to measure the same size as the others, 2 by 3.5. So we're going to go ahead and concentrate on the red with the blue and white, and you can go over and can finish after this video the other ones also. So we'll put those to the side, and we're going to go ahead and look at how the red and blue and white are made. You're going to take a red square like we have before, done with the other ones, and you're going to take and have 2 of your white small squares and 2 of the blue squares. So we're going to put the blue squares to the side for now. We are then going to, you're going to draw your lines, your stitching lines like we have done before, the 1/4 of an inch from the center diagonal line, and we're going to place them on our square. Now that we have them on our square and lined up, remember, leave a couple stitches, a couple threads out, and line up of our stitch lines. We're going to sew on those stitch lines as we have done before. You're going to get a unit that looks like this. You are then going to separate them, press the wings open, and then take your remaining blue squares that have our diagonal lines also and place them in the center. This is how you'll get your second color for your partial flying geese. You're going to go ahead and stitch these up and then cut them open, and you'll get units that look like this. So you'll get 4 out of 1 square. Now we're going to trim it up just like we did before with the Tucker trimmer wing clipper, and we'll have a nice clean unit. So we will then, remember, we just line everything up, do our cuts, rotate it around, put it on the nice clean cut, and let it sign that up and cut it around again, and you're going to get units that look like this. Then you repeat the same process for the white center. Then you're going to put your green down, your 2 greens, and then your blues again. And they're all going to measure 2 by 3.5, and you should get 4 of these and 4 of this color. So let's go on for the assembly of our block.